एज अ डॉक्टर आई सी लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज़ जो कि डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स के लिए डिफरेंट यूसेज बता रहे होते हैं। कोई बता रहा होता है कि नाइसिनामाइड एंटी एजिंग में भी यूज़ हो रहा है या स्किन ट्रीटमेंट्स में भी यूज़ हो रहा है। देयर इज़ अ complete vomiting of information on social media about every component. Hi, I am Dr. Manisha Mittal, your skin care consultant and esthetician. आज मैं ऐसे ही components के बारे में आपको बताने वाली हूँ जो कि उनकी specific utility है, not कि वो इसमें भी use हो रहा है, इसमें भी use हो रहा है. So the first most important molecule is vitamin C, जो कि market में different variety में मिल रहा है, different molecules, concentrations, सब it is easily available in the entire market. So ये विटामिन सी है क्या? विटामिन सी इज ascorbic acid जो हमारे नींबू, टमाटर सब में मिलता है एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी रिच एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. इसके डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स होते हैं, ascorbic acid, L-ascorbic acid एंड मल्टीपल अदर्स. सो इसके अकॉर्डिंगली इनकी स्टेबिलिटी होती है एंड इसके ही अकॉर्डिंगली इनकी परसेंटेजेस होती हैं. इट मे वेरी फ्रॉम 5%, 10% टू 15%, 20% ऑल्सो. बट इसकी कौन सी कंसंट्रेशन आपकी स्किन में हेल्प करेगी, only an esthetician can guide you about. So always take an advice before using vitamin C also, because ये ऐसा molecule है जो कि सब skins के लिए नहीं बना हुआ है. It reacts to most of the skin types and can give you acne reactions also. So ये vitamin C चाहे हम सब लोग use कर रहे हैं, but it shouldn't be used like this, and you should take an advice of an esthetician before applying it or before starting it at any age group. नाउ कमिंग टू द एज ग्रुप, किस एज ग्रुप में इसको स्टार्ट करना चाहिए? अर्ली 20s में हम इसको स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट गिव्स एन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट क्वालिटी टू योर स्किन, और उसमें जो फ्री रेडिकल्स या थोड़े पिगमेंटेशंस होते हैं या दाग पड़ रहे हैं, ये इट गिव्स अ गुड इफेक्ट ऑन दैट. सो इट कैन बी यूज बट डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर एज एंड स्किन टाइप, आपको कौन सा टाइप help करेगा, only that will help you. It can be used in the morning time and the night time also, but it should not be combined with retinols or any other acids per se, because उनके दोनों के response cancel out हो जाएंगे. So this is about vitamin C. Let's come to the second most commonly product used is niacinamide. बी कॉम्प्लेक्स एक ऐसा विटामिन है जो हमारी स्किन को चाहिए होता है फॉर ग्लो, फॉर द हेल्थी एंड whitish look, glowing skin. So niacinamide is again available in the market in different concentrations, that is 5 and 10%. 15% available हैं, but they are not very stable forms. So let's concentrate on 10% of niacinamide. So when we start niacinamide, again it can be used in early 20s also, because it's just in multivitamin and it gives good results without any side effects. It can be used by any skin type. जैसे विटामिन सी एक स्पेसिफिक स्किन टाइप के लिए है, अगर आपको सूट करता है देन ओनली, बट नाइसिनामाइड एक ऐसा मॉलिक्यूल है जो सारी स्किन टाइप्स पे यूज हो सकता है. इट कैन बी यूज इन मॉर्निंग टाइम ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी यूज इन डे टाइम ऑल्सो, नाइट टाइम ऑल्सो, एंड इट कैन कंबाइन विद रेटिनॉल and other acids also. So start with only 10% of niacinamide. 5% niacinamide will not give you a result, but it can act as a very good primer before a makeup. Coming to the third most commonly used molecule is retinol, retinols. इनकी भी different compositions हैं, different types हैं, different percentages हैं, which are used for anti-aging. Fine lines, wrinkles, open pores, it is used in a very big way, and I have seen a lot of younger people are also using it. Please do not use it, because till 25 your skin turnover is automatically done by your body. So 25 साल के बाद, maybe around 30s, early 30s, you can start using retinol, but not in early ages. Please, please, please do not use retinol in early 20s. Coming to the skin type, again, if you start with a lower percentage, 0.1, 0.2, you can use in any skin type. But if you're going to higher concentrations, you need to ask your esthetician, and इनका एक proper protocol होता है to increase the percentage. ऐसे नहीं है कि कभी भी दिल किया 2% लगा लिया, 1% लगा लिया. प्लीज डू नॉट डू दैट, बिकॉज आपकी स्किन एब्सोल्युटली बर्न काइंड ऑफ लुक देने लग जाएगी. कमिंग टू द फोर्थ मॉलिक्यूल, कुजोइक एसिड. This is a beautiful acid which decrease melasma, hyperpigmentation, sunburns, because ये react करता है आपकी epidermal layer पे and उस पे जो melanin production है उसको decrease करता है. Again, it doesn't come in a purest form. It comes in a combination with arbutin, tranexamic acid. ऐसे combinations आपको बहुत सारे markets में freely available हैं. Again, for anything specific like a melasma, you shouldn't go for your self treatments. आपको again अपने डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करके उसकी परसेंटेज, उनके कॉम्बिनेशंस मैच करके what is required for your skin type, you have to act accordingly. It gives beautiful results, but when used in a proper concentration and in a proper sequence, a proper regime. Always follow a regime, क्योंकि ये अकेले single molecule will never act. अगर आप कोजोइक एसिड सिंपल मॉलिक्यूल लेके आते हो, इट विल नॉट एक्ट ऑन योर स्किन. सो इट हैज टू बी कंबाइंड विद अनदर मॉलिक्यूल्स टू गिव अ hyperpigmentation or melasma results. So it can be used in early 30s only, not before this age group, and timings are generally at the night time, not at the daytime, because जब sun exposure होता है, it again gives an opposite results to what we are expecting. मतलब कि pigmentation increase होती है. So it should be used at a night time only. Coming to the fifth molecule, that is lactic acid. Lactic acid is one of the peeling agents, exfoliating agents used for a drier skin. It is a beautiful acid which gives a very good hydrating skin on a dry skin. जब हम dry skin के ऊपर उसको act करवाते हैं, वो एक plumpiness skin में create करता है. Lactic acid again comes in lot of combinations, lot of percentages. You need again the help of a doctor to understand what goes with your skin. Online बहुत सारी percentages available हैं and कई products पे तो percentages दी भी नहीं होती हैं and we start using it. Do not use like that and always consult a doctor before using acids, because you are using some kind of acids on your skin which have higher concentration and combinations which can give you a side effect also. So lactic acid can be used again in early 30s age group, and it should be twice or thrice a week only. That is also maximum thrice a week. Start with once a week application only at night time. Coming to the sixth molecule, which is glycolic acid. It is again used as an exfoliating agent for a normal skin. एक normal skin के लिए जो हमारे skin के ऊपर dead skin layer create होती है, it is a very good peeling agent for an normal skin, not for a drier skin, not for an oily skin. It is for normal skin. It again removes a very thin layer of dead skin from your outer layer and gives a very glowing and shining skin after that. It should be used in early 30s only, not in early 20s or teens, because again it is an acid and the self exfoliation method is continuing in your body constantly. So need not use any of the exfoliating agents before 25 years of age. Coming to when it should be used, again because it is an acid, it should be used once or twice a week at night time only. The important part is it should not be combined with any other acids. It can be combined with a moisturizer, maybe a light toner, but not with any acid. Please do not combine it. Coming to the seventh most important ingredient, which is salicylic acid. Market में ये भी salicylic acid भी बहुत percentages में मिल रहा है and we are using at home also, but salicylic एक ऐसा component है which I never advise to use at home because it's a very strong component and इसकी market में जो concentrations आ रही हैं वो बहुत high हैं. So the higher concentrations will not give you higher results. ये जो हमारे माइंड में एक कंसेप्ट है कि हायर परसेंटेज यूज करेंगे तो हमारे एक्ने चले जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता है. योर स्किन एक्चुअली गेट्स बर्न्ड एंड यू आर मोर प्रोन टू एरिथमास एंड रेडनेस. सो सैलिसिलिक एसिड अगेन अगर आप यूज कर रहे हैं इन अ फेस वॉश, इन अ स्मॉल क्रीम, इट इज ओके बिकॉज उसमें परसेंटेज डाइल्यूशन हुई होती है. बट व्हेन यू यूज अ सैलिसिलिक बॉटल, it will not help you, it will further degrade your skin. So always consult your doctor first for salicylic treatments, what percentage is required for your skin, because ये acne या oily skin के लिए बहुत अच्छा है because ये सेल के अंदर जाके उसके अंदर से जितना ऑयल है और जितना उसके अंदर डेब्रीज या डिपॉजिट्स है उसको रिमूव करता है. इट इज़ वेरी गुड कॉम्पोनेंट, बट ओनली मिस्टेक व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द राइट परसेंटेज एंड द राइट टाइम. अगेन इट शुड बी यूज्ड इन 30s age group only and once a month, once maybe 2 weeks is only the frequency which should be used for higher concentrations, and only at night time. And next day sunscreen application is must in such kind of treatments. So these are the few important points which I wanted to emphasize for specifically salicylic acid. Coming to the 8th molecule, which is azelaic acid. Azelaic acid comes into a milder component of exfoliation. अगर हमें exfoliation करनी है, maybe अभी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है, या we are in early 30s but still we want to do something, azelaic acid gives you beautiful results in that mild kind of an exfoliation. Again, it should not be combined with other acids and should be used maybe twice or thrice a week and only at night time. Coming to the 9th molecule, which is the most important and recently growing in the market, are ceramides and peptides. Ceramides and peptides are very good healing molecules. ये ऐसे एलिमेंट्स हैं जो हमारी स्किन में हीलिंग क्रिएट करते हैं. पोस्ट प्रोसीजर, post trauma to your skin, post sun exposure, ceramides and peptides will heal your skin, improvise your collagen formation, और वो जो fine lines, fine aging के signs आते हैं वो automatically settle down होने लग जाते हैं. So these are beautiful molecules. They are coming in combinations nowadays, in creams, in serums, maybe with the retinol. It gives beautiful results, but it should be used in late 30s age group, and it can be used in a day and a night time. Can be combined with any acid. So these are beautiful molecules which gives very good results. Again, little more information would be shared later, but these are very good molecules, can be used here and there. Coming to the last and the most important molecule, which is hyaluronic acid. It is a beautiful molecule, my personally favorite molecule, because it gives that plumpiness and the glow to your skin. Especially in these kind of summers, hyaluronic acid do wonders, but only thing is nobody knows how to use it. It can be used day and night. In any age group it can be used, any time it can be used, it can be combined with any acid, but you have to use on a moist skin. That is the point with hyaluronic acid. Dry skin पे लगा के इसकी कोई utility नहीं होने वाली. क्यों? Because one molecule of hyaluronic acid combines with 1000 molecules of water. It retains that hydration and moisture in your skin and give you plumpiness, and वो एक reflects back of the skin is given by hyaluronic acid. So it is a beautiful molecule, can be used by anybody. It comes in lot of combinations, in creams also, in serum forms also, so you can use in any way and any time. So this is the information I wanted to share. If you want to know more about it or want to make a regime out of it, do contact Dr. Manisha Mittal.